Hello and welcome to GK Tutorials class 2 lesson 11. Today in this lesson we are going to learn more about birds. So open page number 18. There you will find this page as I have displayed on the screen. But before starting the chapter, let me tell you some fun facts about birds. Birds have feathers, wings, they lay eggs and are warm-blooded. There are around 10,000 different species of birds worldwide. The chicken is the most common species of the bird found in the world. Kiwis are endangered flightless birds that live in New Zealand. They lay the largest eggs related to their body size of any bird in the world. And do you know, children, hummingbees, they can fly backward too. The hummingbee is the smallest living bird in the world with the length of just 5 centimeter, or about, you can say, 2 inches. So dear children, let's start the lesson. Page number 18. The first question is, do you know these birds? Write the correct picture number beside the bird's name. Dear children, let's identify the birds first. The first one is owl. Second one is myna. Third one is dove. Fourth one, it is parrot. Fifth one, egret. Sixth one is hoopoe. Seventh one, woodpecker. Eighth, bulbul. Ninth one is eagle. And the 10th one is kingfisher. So dear children, the question was, do you know these birds? Now you know about the birds, their names. Now write the correct picture number besides the bird's name. Here in the center of the page you will find, as I have displayed in the left side of the page, you will find like this, and you will have to fill the correct numbers. I have displayed the numbers also. You have to fill it like that. Just see the picture and fill the numbers accordingly. The fourth one is parrot, first one owl, third one is dove, ninth one eagle, 5 egret, C was hoop, 8th bulbul, 10th kingfisher, myna, second one, and 7th was woodpecker. You have to fill the numbers according to the question given. See the picture and fill the number. So now the second question is, take what is true for the word in the picture. Again, on page number 19, this page is there, that I have displayed on the screen. Now you have to see the picture and tick the bird. Some hint sentences are given below each and every picture. So find the correct one and tick it. Here, sparrows live only in forest. No, they live in houses also. They eat grains. Yes, sparrow chirp. They are common pets. They are not at all pets. So B and C is correct. Tick B and C. I have highlighted the answer. I have ticked it also, and you also mark the same with pencil in your book. Question number 2. Sunbirds are small birds. They sip the nectar of flowers. These 2 sentences are correct. Mark it tick. And the rest too, they eat flowers. No, they eat insects also and other things also. They are common pets. They are not at all a common pet. Now next one, something about pigeons. So this is the picture of pigeon and the 4 points that are given. Pigeons eat fruit and grains. They coo. They twitter. Pigeons were used to carry letters. In earlier days, people used pigeons to carry letters, just like postman does nowadays. So D is true, A is also true, and B is also true. C, it's wrong, so no need to tick it. Only A, B and D tick. You have to tick the correct answers. Now fourth one, owls eat fruits and nuts. Most owls hunt at night. Owls chirp, owls hoot. Dear children, the picture of a owl is given here, and owls, they wake up all night and hunt at night only. So B is correct, and owls hoot. D is correct. Now fifth one, the picture of kingfisher you can see on the screen. Same picture is there in your book also. Now the kingfisher eats fish. So the sentences are: kingfisher sip nectar, they eat fish, they swim well, they live in water. No, only B is correct. They eat fish. Sixth one, penguins swim well, they eat fish. They cannot fly. They are found in India. So, first three are correct. Penguins swim well, they eat fish, and they cannot fly. Dear children, penguins are found in Antarctica, not in India. So, we have finished the chapter. You will have to complete the work in your book. Do the previous chapters also and learn it properly. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay at home. Thank you.